The Nash Xperience. The Nash Xperience.
What's going on? What's popping? What it do, Jada Boo? Today's video is a super chill video. As you can see, no makeup, no eyebrows, nada. So have you guys been on TikTok and seen the laundry stripping videos? Yeah. Jump on it. I have now become, I'm gonna try that queen. So we're gonna do that today. I'm going to use a quilt or a comforter, and I'm going to do it two ways. In the TikTok videos, you see it where they wash it first and then they strip it, and then in other videos you see it where they don't wash it and then they strip it and then give it a rinse. So we're gonna do it both ways, but for the video we're gonna need Tide. I don't use Tide, so I bought this small one. We're gonna use my mop stick to poke it. This is the amount. So this is the what we're using. I got the laundry Arm & Hammer boosters, super wash baking soda, and I got borax. So I have people in the videos, they do it in their bathtubs. I just cleaned my bathtub, so no. So I have a pan outside on my porch. That's where we're gonna do it. It's gonna be super windy, super loud, so I apologize in advance for the noise. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Nashida. If you like my personality, anything about this video, give me a big thumbs up. Turn on your notification bells, and I'll see you back here, part of the family, for my next video. But let's get into it. Okay friends, so we have added everything that the TikTok say we're supposed to add, and I have the comforter in here. I wash this comforter every 2 weeks, so it was due to wash, but I didn't wash it. I wanted to do the stripping, but the comforter soak up all the water, so I'm gonna add a little more water and just let it sit.
Two hours later.
So hey friends, it has been like 4 hours later. It's not as bad as I thought it would have been. The water is just murky. It does smell good. So we're gonna try and strip something else and see if we get the dirty water that they be getting on Twitter. But it's not bad. Okay guys, so here I decided to use an old pillow that I was going to throw away, but I decided to use it for this purpose. So here you get a glimpse of the stains before I let it soak for the same 4 hours and washed it on a regular normal cycle, and all of the stains came out. So let me know down in the comment if you think it was a total fail, was it worth it, or was it a bust. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can notified whenever I post a video, and I'll see you on the next one. Remember, you are beautiful, you are enough. Stay safe, wear your mask. Bye.
The Nash Experience.